It's just I got too busy today, and there are so many things I have in my mind right now. And I am supposed to sleep, but at the same time, I can't. I'm actually tired. I did a lot of things earlier with my friend. We had my door fixed, and we had some meetups like throughout it. So yeah, kinda tired.
Josai on the beat.
Alam mo bang ikaw lang ang tibok ng puso ko? Sa'yo ako tigo kahit medyo antuso ko. Bibigyan mo ba ako ng chance? O kahit na kaunting bagasa? Kasi di ko na kaya na pingin ang nadarama. Pulo na pag tinitigan ng iyong mata. Ako ay stop or parang estaba. O ikaw ay droga, sa'yo na umaadik. Dahil sa iyong puso ko'y biglang nagpanik. Binibining malagay, pwede ba ako sa iyong lumapit? Di bubulong ko kasi mga saloobin. Kung gusto mo pwede naman dun sa amin. Sana di ka tumanggi, oo na yan. Sana di ka tumanggi, oo na yan. Ikaw ang pantasya ko.
Say what?
Ito ang pantasya ko.
Say what?
Pantasya ko.
Yeah.
Pantasya ko. Ikaw ang pantasya ko. Pantasya ko. Pantasya ko. Pantasya ko. Pantasya ko.
But yeah, thank God I'm not supposed to live there because it's actually raining here in Manila more than Makati or let's say Taguig. Mas better yung place doon, and it's actually more spacious rather than here, which is super crowded. But yeah, I like it here, but no, I like it better in the north part of Metro Manila. If you know what I'm saying.
North EDSA, North Fairview yun, may alam pala ako.
Yeah, but this kind of north is not actually what I'm talking about. Kasi, like, di ba yung south, which is the Alabang, Paranaque, sa south yan. So, yung north is parang Caloocan, ganun, QC. And I feel like it's more draining here in the south. I mean, not necessarily entirely the south. Kasi hindi naman ganito sa Alabang eh. I feel like Alabang is way